Differences in spelling. There are many words that are spelled differently in both forms of English. General rules. Words in OUR have been changed to OR in America. We'll start with the British English spelling. Color. While in American English spelling, it's color. Behavior. Behavior. Favorite. Favorite. Flavor. Flavor. Labor. Labor. Rumor. Rumor. Many words ending in YSE or ISE have been changed to YZE or IZE in America. Analyze. Analyze. Categorize. Categorize. Exceptions, the words arise and devise. This American spelling is also acceptable in the UK. Words ending in RE have been changed to ER in America. Center. Center. Liter. Liter. Meter. Meter. Theater. Theater. Words containing a double consonant before ing have been changed to one consonant. Snorkeling. Snorkeling. Traveling. Traveling. Other words that are spelled differently. We'll start with the British English spelling. Fulfill. Fulfill. Aging. Aging. Dialogue. Dialogue. Catalogue. Catalogue. Airplane. Airplane. Check. Check. Chili. Chili. Jewelry. Jewelry. License. For noun. License. License. For verb. License. Mum. Mum. Pajamas. Pajamas. Program. For television. Program. Program. For computer. Program. Differences in punctuation. While the British would write Mr., the Americans would write Mester. Mrs. Mrs. Doctor. Doctor. And finally, time telling in British versus American English. There's a slight difference in the structure of telling the time in both languages. While the British would say 10:15 to denote 10:15, Americans would say 10:15. British often write digital times with a point, 6, whereas Americans always write it with a colon, 6. Another biggest difference is that UK dates are day, month, year, whereas US dates are month, day, year. For example, 7/12/2006. For Americans, it would be July the 12th, 2006. For British, it would be 7th of December 2006.